Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Big old move today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above $5.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.75, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As the week continues to play out, that line is going to start to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 575 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? First key level is where the price is, doing battle right now, and that is that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200-period moving average. Even if you have a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that level, and you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance, and that's already been playing out here. So there's a couple instances of it in the past right there where that area has rejected the price. And then today, yeah, the price has gotten above it, but you can see price is still sitting right around that area. So right around $6, give or take a few pennies, is still going to be that primary battleground going forward. But all in all, though, in my opinion, at least right now, resistance levels don't matter. What matters the most is just going through some healthy consolidations and chipping away and building higher bases, because as long as higher bases are being put in a place, then over enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and just start to, like I said, build upon this current movement. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.